Hello everyone, this is Raja Ramesh and welcome back to TypeScript and Playwright Journey. In the previous video, we have seen how to install Visual Studio Code and Node.js. In this video, we'll learn how to install TypeScript from Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code, click on the terminal item in the menu bar and click on New Terminal. It will open a new terminal. To install TypeScript, we need to run a command in the terminal npm install -g TypeScript tsnode and hit enter. It will install the required packages. We installed TypeScript along with tsnode. It lets us run TypeScript directly without compiling TypeScript into JavaScript. To see if TypeScript is installed correctly or not, we can check version of TypeScript by running a command tsc-v. We got version 5.7.3, which means TypeScript is installed. Now we are ready with Visual Studio Code, Node.js and TypeScript. In the next video, we will create a sample project, create a simple program, and we'll see how to run that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.